Okay, so let's remind the audience of our channels.
Dog makeovers.
Switch.
Unicorn channel.
Unicorn channel.
Switch.
Hunting
Gone wrong.
Switch.
Animals.
Animals on
On stilts.
Switch.
Scottish. Scottish.
Players, you ready?
Yes.
Begin.
Oh my gosh, this is the most ugly dog I've ever seen.
I've had him for a long time, you know, it's just, he's my buddy.
Hey, it's okay. It's time for an extreme dog makeover.
Switch.
She's a right view of that one. You got your last words before I dispatch you.
She's the last. She's the last.
Oh yes, Nigel, what a great day this is. I brought my Samsonite roll along here with my 22.
Oh, that's really cute. Oh, I got it from a new brand. It's called Nerf. I'd like to see you combat this.
I do say that is quite flashy for our circumstances. We don't want to frighten the animals who can clearly see in color away.
Everyone knows animals are colorblind.
Switch.
Fascinating creature. It seems to be walking around this Well, I'm at a kid's party and my name is Bozo the Clown. This creature seems to have learned to imitate human beings. It has very spindly legs and a short, small body. No, this was meant for kids. I don't know how you got in here, but I think the parents are going to be really upset at this. Oh, hey kid, here's a balloon clown. Manipulate others of his kind to try to circumvent.
Switch.
All right. That's what I'm going to my freedom.
Alright, freedom? You want your freedom, you don't get it down in that well.
So are you ready to see a new dog?
Yeah.
Move that butt. That's a cat. Benny's Butchers.
Got a unicorn for you.
We don't have anything that's yellow. We don't do multi-rainbowed. Yeah.
You know why we're gonna get this meat? This was the last unicorn!
Yeah. Well, still.
I mean, like, could you at least get sell you the blood? You know, it's like it causes immortality.
Oh, sweet. I'll just be Voldemort. Great. I love Voldemort.
Sorry about shooting you in the foot there, old chap. But I thought the tea I made you would suit nicely for.
Oh, Sid. Well, what kind of plant did you make it out of?
Oh, I used this ivy right here.
Oh, delicious.
Yes.
I believe I'm coming down with a bit of...
Oh, it's kind of strong, isn't it? Oh dear. Everything's going dark. Hold on. Here, squeeze this mushroom into it. After following the creature for over 3 hours, it seems to be trying to enter the home of a human being. Stop following me! Stop it! I'm off the stilts now. I'm not the Bozo the Clown anymore. Go home. Who are you talking to? He's trying to change his form to enter to steal food for his... Honey, I'm gonna be late. I gotta kick this guy's butt.
Switch.
Yeah, I need some directions.
Yeah.
That makes complete sense. I'm gonna go over there then.
Switch.
So how's life with the cat?
It's actually a lot better than I thought it would be. You know, I don't have to walk it. It's like I don't even own a pet. It just hangs out in my house. Sometimes I can see it for days. All the things I hated about a dog are gone.
Switch.
My name is Ponito Montoya.